I have COVID. Happy New Year's Eve, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, I hope you guys can hear me. I have COVID. My daughter has COVID. My mom has COVID. Everybody has COVID in the house except for my husband, Brandon. And I am very wheezy. Like, real talk, this holiday was very, it sucked. Period. It just sucked. So I'm not gonna talk to y'all much today. You know, I'll just show you, like, we probably just end up what was I saying? So we probably just watched the ball drop, you know, and that's it. Like, I mean, everybody else is feeling better except for me. So I'm a day behind Trinity. So I'm hoping that tomorrow, my symptoms have been exactly the same to a T as Trinity's. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I will definitely be feeling better. Now that I look decent, I just wanted to show y'all what I'm working with. Just put some red lipstick on, through my $5 earrings on, and girl, that's what we gonna do for today. Okay, let me show you the fit. Girl. Okay, so I just got on these naked wardrobe leggings and this bodysuit. And that's that. So yeah, I did gain some weight. I'm gonna tell y'all about that when I feel better. I'll let y'all know about that. But today we just gonna keep it real simple because my voice is just not cooperating. So Brandon is downstairs cooking. I'm about to see what he's doing. Hi, honey. Hi, boo-boo. Brandon is down here cooking. My boo love cooking. This smells so freaking good.
Your what?
My boo. Boo, what's these bacon? What's this going on with this bacon?
It's going ahead.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Boo, why you had to be all like that?
Daddy, you got sour cream.
Trey. Boo. You go take a shower.
Yeah, he got sour cream.
Now we're about to make some French toast.
Anyways, I don't want that in there. So now we're about to make some French toast, y'all. We keeping it real hood, okay? Brandon made some, oh, y'all saw the potato skins. Those joints was clutch. And so we doing that. And I'm about to clean this kitchen up because it look a mess. It really look a mess. Almost New Year's. I'm gonna eat my French toast. I done changed back into my pajamas. I'm about to eat my French toast. And
Let me taste the piece.
my mother took a little nap. No, you should have tasted Trinity's. I'm trying to be productive, so I'm actually gonna juice real quick before. Got 30 minutes about. And I'm also watching church. Keep God first in all you do. And may he bring you guys lots of peace, joy, good health, healthy relationships and friendships, good health. Oh, I said that already. not excited about this snow. I'm probably way too excited. But it's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. I've been on YouTube trying to figure out how to make a snowman. Growing up in the hood, we tried to make snowmen and we were unsuccessful. So I'm about to go out here and do this. I can't even tell y'all how much fun that was. Like, it was tiring. I didn't realize making a snowman was that much work, but it turned out great. Like, I love it. I found like some stuff around the house for the nose and the buttons and the eyes and all that stuff. Anyway, I like got a surge of energy. I guess I can say I love nature. Like, it just brought me like a sense of peace to be out there by myself. Brandon and Trinity are asleep. What I'm about to do now is juice, and then I'm gonna get something to eat and then relax for the rest of the day.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me. Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Girl, that salad had no chance. Good morning, guys. I know I said I wasn't vlogging, but what the hell? I'll just vlog this week. Anyways, honestly, making that snowman yesterday, like, I probably would never do that again unless I had help. It was a lot of work, but I'm so glad I got a chance to do it because it helped me get some exercise, burn some calories and all that good stuff. But today we're gonna wash this hair. So I want to redye my hair like in the next 3 weeks. So I have been doing this lifting process using baking soda and sulfate shampoo, mixing it together and then letting that sit on my hair. So it's been making my hair a little bit dark, and then around my edges you might be able to see that they're a little bit brown right here. I just don't want to use a color remover, and I don't want the bleach to not take when I do decide to dye my hair. Hey y'all, so I'm about to eat these clementines and a few dates before I take a nap because my naps be long and my head is hurting. So I want to make sure I have something on my stomach, some carbs. I just wanted to let y'all know about this tangerine juice. This tangerine juice. It's my first time having it. It's everything. Child, it's everything. Hey guys, so I'm finally up from my nap. It is 7:30. Since we all got COVID except for Brandon, everybody just been sleeping. Like it feels like I'm a zombie. Like all I'm doing is eating and sleeping. But anyways, I'm about to wash my hair. I mean, I ain't got no hair, so it ain't like it take a long time to dry, so that's another plus. But anyway. So I just have some baking soda and just a basic stripping shampoo. Any type of strong stripping shampoo you can use. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Then just add some baking soda to it. And just mix that on up until it looks like a paste. So it's all mixed up. Since my hair is short, I don't have to use a lot of it. Oh, and I also try to make sure I wash my hair on the hottest temperature that I can stand, just so that, you know, that washes out your color faster.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
So now I'm just gonna cover my hair, leave the paste and shampoo, whatever you wanna call it, on. Cover my hair with this cap. And then let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so my camera cut off. What I did was I washed out the paste and then I put a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner on, and I let that sit under a plastic cap for an hour. I did not rinse that out. I left it in because it is a leave-in conditioner. And then I removed that after an hour, and then I put on some twisting butter to lock in the moisture.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you.
So this is basically all I do, and I let my hair dry like such. I think the color lifted a little bit. Good morning guys. So I'm headed to a doctor's appointment. I'm going to the TMJ specialist. I'll tell you more about that when we get there. So I just got here. So I'm going to the TMJ specialist because when I contracted COVID in October of 2020, he's saying that there may have been some autoimmune stuff that's occurring in my body right now, which is what the rheumatologist is saying, and blah, 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 blah. But I've had headaches every single day for the past 14 months. And I went to him on my little YouTube break. So that was my first visit. Today's my second visit. But they basically found out that I do have TMJ pretty significantly, and my jaw is cracking and out of alignment. They made some prosthetics for me to sleep in and for me to actually wear during the day as well, since it's so bad. But the good news is he gave me some muscle relaxers and some anti-inflammatory medicines while this was being made, and I have been headache free for the first time in 15 months. I'm like, God is so good. Okay guys, so I'm done at the appointment. I stopped off and got a few groceries from the grocery store, some things that we needed. This is my first day out of quarantine, y'all, so I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm just so happy to be outside. But yeah, so I got my prosthetic. I couldn't record the process. They have tightened up measures because of COVID and things like that. But he did a lot of adjusting to my teeth to make sure it fit me comfortable. Y'all, this place is private pay, and a lot of doctors are doing like the concierge and private pay, and like this particular prosthetic was $2,000. Child, when I say he told me that, like, I really was just like, yo, because so here's the thing. I made a regular dental appointment like 2 months ago, went to the dentist, and let me tell y'all how he tried to finesse me. he wouldn't even fit me for anything for TMJ until I got all the work done to my mouth first. So let me tell y'all, I'm in pain, and explaining to him all the stuff I'm going through for my quality of life. I just wanted to get out of pain, or at least have some alleviation of my pain, right? So when he didn't do that, and I'm like, I need about $5,000 worth of work done, because y'all gotta understand, I've been grinding and clenching my jaw out of alignment for 15 months. So my teeth are jacked up now. I have so many fillings that I need because the constant grinding of my mouth and clenching of my jaw, I have jacked up my teeth. This joker tried to finesse me. I went to this guy. When I called, they told me he was private pay. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna have to be in pain, and I've been dealing with it this long, so I'll just deal with it. And then my mom decided to help out, and so I came to this guy, and honestly, since I've been here, since I've been coming to him, which is my second visit, my first visit, just something so small, so simple, I'm so grateful for. And that's what I'm saying in the medical field. I know I'm going on a little rant, but in the medical field, and why when God heals me, why I don't know if I want to even be a nurse no more, especially in this country, because it just sucks, man. Everybody is out to get some money.
You know what? I think we're gonna take a little drive.
Alright, y'all, I'm making one more grocery store run. My mom wanted some orange juice, and you know how crazy people get when it's gonna be a small little snowstorm. You know, they act like it's an apocalypse. But anyway, so y'all, all day I've known this, but my brother was murdered earlier this morning, and I've been, you know, I don't really know how to process it, to be quite honest. And you know, now that it's the early evening, I don't know, I ain't gonna speak much on the subject because I just don't really know how to process it. But I am definitely sad for sure. Yeah, y'all see, I've been trying to, I just really didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. I know since I got up this morning, I actually was awakened to the news this morning. And so I've been driving all day, going to these appointments, running these errands, but obsessing over the news outlets where he's from or where he lived. And you know, just obsessing about the murder and him suffering and dying by himself. What happened, you know, like just obsessing about the news and watching the local news where he lived. And yeah, so anyway, like my chest been hurting, but anyway, like it's just I'm starting to, my nerves are creeping up on me now, and you know, so I got a few things, y'all. Some chips. A lot of this stuff is my mom's, but popcorn. Now this is mine. I use these for snacks. Cheese. Lunch meat. Trinity loves this naked juice. My mother wanted sodas. On top of sodas. So I got that for her and Trent. And I've been addicted to Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then I got one of my old school OGs. The O's, which I know about that. Got some Izzy's. These are low calorie, like sparkling juice, but they're really good, low calorie. Helps me with my cravings. I got some oatmeal bites. Love these. And this stuff came from Target. So then I got some body wax. So I got like this little traveling mousse, a deep conditioner for when I color my hair. Everybody needs new toothbrushes because we had the virus. Then I stopped at Claire's, which was like next to Sally's, and I got these silver hoops. Good morning, guys. It has been rough. I mean, a rough night. I thought I was gonna have to go to the hospital. My heart was beating out of my chest all night. I was a wreck. And it just seemed like it all hit me at once with my brother's murder. So anyway, my cousins are gonna take me out to get my mind off of things. Good health for real, and unity, and living your best life. That part.
January is my birthday month.
And this is my 40th, and I be 40 this year. The top part right there.
You're a young tenderoni.
Hey guys, so yesterday with my cousins, we had a really good time. But here's where I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to put the camera down for a while. I am not handling this situation with my brother. I don't even know what to say.